Cash advance apps are designed to let users request money through an app instead of contacting a lender directly, which can make the process feel more private and convenient. By the end, you'll know what features to look for when comparing cash advance apps, how app-based requests usually work, and what to check before choosing one. The first thing to understand is that cash advance apps do not all work the same way. Some connect to your bank account, some review your income activity, and others use different eligibility checks before showing available options. Check how each app reviews eligibility before creating an account. The main advantage of an app-based process is that many steps happen digitally. Users can review available options, submit requests, and manage account details inside the app instead of handling every step through phone conversations. Look for apps that clearly explain their process before requesting access to your information. A good cash advance app should show important details up front, including any fees, repayment terms, and account requirements. Read the terms before accepting an advance because the repayment process matters just as much as getting approved. You should also check how the app communicates with users. Some people prefer platforms that rely mainly on in-app notifications, email updates, or account messages instead of frequent phone contact. Review the communication settings and support options before using the service. Another important step is checking whether the app matches your financial situation. A cash advance is designed for short-term access to money, not a replacement for regular income or a long-term borrowing solution. Only request an advance if you understand when and how repayment will happen. Before choosing an app, compare the approval process, available features, fees, and user requirements. A smoother experience comes from understanding the rules before submitting a request. The best option is the app that gives you clear information, a simple process, and repayment terms you can manage. Your next step is to review the AP's eligibility rules and communication methods before signing up. That small check can help you avoid surprises later. If this guide helped you compare cash advance apps, like the video and subscribe for more reviews of money apps, earning platforms, and personal finance tools.